everyone, Frosted Snow and
국다이
here. Hi! New Type is a fast and reliable source of Gunpla paints and tools shipped internationally. Purchasing at newtypehq.com/frosted_snow also helps support me with a small commission. So recently, my channel reached 10,000 subscribers, and we want to just say thank you by letting you choose which kit we're gonna make next. It's actually Cookie's suggestion.
all right.
Yeah.
I know. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Frosted Snow, thank you. And okay, I love you.
And they love you. You have so many fans on the channel. Say hi to the fans.
Okay. Say hi. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Oh, it's okay. We're going to let you choose which kit we make next. Actually, I feel really awkward filming with Cookie with me right now. We haven't done this together before. I am gonna go first. I'm planning on making a SD resin kit, and you can choose whichever one. You can vote for which kit we make in the community tab. We're gonna have a different poll. You can find the link in the comments or description box below. The kits that you can choose from for me is the RX-78 Camper Zaku, which I'm gonna make in the white ogre version. I do have the decals for that. Sniper and Goof. These are the 5 choices for me that you can choose from.
And here is the first Goof, Sniper, Camper, I'm gonna make this in the white ogre version. Okay, so these are your options.
And Cookie, tell us about your kit.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to say one thing.
Okay.
And for me,
It's okay.
I do kind of have a preference. I've kind of been really saving up the Sniper actually. Didn't really want to do this yet, but Cookie kept telling me that I should include it in the choices for you guys to choose from. I kind of want to make the Camper or the Goof, and first would be okay too, just because it's kind of easy. But we're gonna make whatever you guys choose, okay? So Cookie, tell us about your kits now. Oh my god. No. Okay, Cookie, tell us about your kits now.
My kit is New Gundam Bust. This is New Gundam Bust.
Yeah.
Very rare item.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Is there LED?
Okay, LED.
Does it move?
I don't know, but
You don't know.
many LED put in.
Oh, are you going to put in the LEDs? LED 할 거야?
I think LED together.
Oh, he
okay.
never does LEDs on his.
Okay.
Okay, and
This is RX
78.
78.
Yeah.
Okay. This is kit Post Gundam.
Yeah.
And same scale mega size.
Oh, so it's 148
Yeah.
scale.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is from GSB, G System Best.
Okay. Many people like Post Gundam.
Yeah.
Wow. Cushy Gundam.
Yeah. 172nd scale. So same size as your Yakdoga.
Alright. Yeah. Yaktoga same scale and very big size. Cushy.
Do you have one you want to make?
I don't know.
Anything is okay?
Yeah.
Anything is
Okay.
okay? But notice we did choose all Gundam because all his kits that he's made so far are like Shinanju and Camper, Zaku, and this Hazabi. So he's made a lot of Zeon kits. I was saying, why don't you make a Gundam? So that's why we chose these 3 Gundams. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah! Surprise!
Okay.
My present.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
어머 뭐야
베이스.
우와.
유건담 형상.
우와.
오케이.
열어야지.
빰빰빰빰빰빰빰빰빰빰빰빰빰빰. 예. 스멜.
뭐야.
데카. 열어서 한번 볼까?
It's the size of my hand. Oh my god.
야, 품질 되게 좋아.
Oh.
This is them. This is scale. Okay. Wow. Etching.
Yeah.
The car. Leg frame.
Garbage.
Garbage kit.
Trash kit.
Okay.
Trash. Okay. So thin and warped and bent.
Low quality.
실드 보여줘, 실드. So bent. Thank you.
Thank you.
So nice, the weather.
Hi. Where's going?
Cafe.
Cafe.
Cookie wants coffee.
Okay. Wow, very beautiful. So nice. Go, go, go. 야, 이거 호텔 같은데?
Good? 그 웃긴 표정 해봐. 평소 했던 표정. 맛있어? Yeah.
오.
Side.
Okay. Hi everyone.
Oh, wow. Wow. The car, the chain. Okay. Oh, big.
Beam shop.
We will come out with the full build of any of the kits that you choose. You can vote by then in the community tab, and we're gonna have the full build video of these. He'll start on his kit after he finishes the Nightingale. Thank you everyone again so much for your support.
Yeah.
Always for your comments and love. Thank you so much. And Cookie도 한마디?
인스타에서 사랑해주셔서 너무 감사드리고 유튜브를 시작한 지 얼마 되지 않았는데 구독자 10,000명을 이렇게 또 달성하게 돼서 굉장히 큰 영광이고 너무 감사드립니다. 앞으로도 최대한 영상을 퀄리티 있게 잘 만들어서 많은 여러분들께 재미와 웃음을 선사해 드릴 수 있도록 노력하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
와, 말 잘한다. 자, we'll see you in the next video everyone. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Good. Thank you. All right.
Oh my
Good.
God.
Bye bye.
Bye.
나는 이렇게 하고 오빠는 yeah, you 이렇게 막 하는 거지. 계속. 오빠 이런 거 이렇게 유 이렇게 손가락질. 좀 과하게.
Help a sister out and like, comment, and subscribe, and watch more videos. Thanks, everyone. Bye.